Hello Fresh package. I'm excited about this. Let's get it.
Finna do the Hello Fresh unboxing. It tells you the little steps right here. Let's see what it is.
So you guys, I did tell y'all I was gonna start back cooking on my channel, and what I did was I ordered some HelloFresh meals. So this will make it easier for me during the week when I'm working and doing other things. I'm pretty busy from sun up to sundown. So HelloFresh kit. So this is how it comes. I'm pretty sure you've seen this already. And then they send you all your ingredients. I got ingredients for a family of 4 because we are a family of 3. So you got your tortilla shells. They send you your cheeses, your tomatoes, your red enchilada sauce, and some garlic cumin chili powder, and limes. Well, a lime, a bell pepper, sour cream, and it's enough sour cream for a serving of 4. So this is called the pork and pepper enchiladas. I'm gonna get started on it right now. Oh yeah, they send you a meat, and I went ahead and put that in the fridge. I diced all of my ingredients up. You have your bell pepper, your tomato, and your scallions. You're supposed to put all this in a bowl. Squeeze your lime. I'm supposed to cut this up into 4s. Squeeze your lime and add a drizzle of oil to that. So I'm about to do that. I have my bowl here. So I'm about to get ready to do that. I have my knife there. And then I have my pork cooking, my ground pork, which they send you all these ingredients. Sometimes you have to bust out some ingredients from your kitchen or your pantry, but for the most part, they send you 99% of everything. So here's the pork cooking. I normally don't eat pork, but I was just trying to try out some recipes just to kind of get a gist of how HelloFresh goes. I'm gonna let my baby pick out the next recipes for next week, but we got 4 recipes for this week. So this is the first one. We're gonna season our meat with garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, probably some onion powder, and black pepper. Okay guys, you were only supposed to mix the tomato and scallion together. Drizzle some olive oil, well, whatever kind of oil, and then squeeze 2 wedges of the 4, and then season with salt and pepper. So I'm gonna have my son squeeze the lime. He's squeezing 2 of the 4. And then he's gonna add some pink salt. It says kosher salt, but we have pink salt, so he's gonna squeeze that. And then he's gonna add some black pepper. And then we're gonna stir with a spoon. Letting him help out in the kitchen because sometimes I'm busy with work and I really just don't have time to stop. That was one of the purposes of ordering HelloFresh, is so that he can make the recipes, because it gives you step by step of what to do and how to do. And plus I've already taught him how to cook, like your basic, like your fried chicken and mac and cheese, and he knows how to make shrimp, and he knows how to make salmon, and he knows how to make fried fish. So he knows how to make food, but this just to make it easier on him, so I don't have to tell him what seasonings, or I don't have to give him step-by-step directions when he forgets something. So this is our pork. Still kind of looking like ground turkey to me, but it is pork, ground pork or something like that. And we season it again with black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. And yeah, we're gonna let this cook some more, and then we're gonna put all our ingredients together, bake it, and then there's dinner. Okay, so initially you're supposed to add a drizzle of oil, bell pepper to the skillet, let that cook down, then add your meat. But I'm a cook, so I add my ingredients in the order I like to add them. So I've added my bell pepper, and it also comes with some Southwest spice seasoning to add to the meat and peppers. So we've added that, and he's about to stir that in. And then for your sour cream that they included, you want to mix it with lime juice and like teaspoons of water till you get your sour cream to a drizzle consistency. So that will be our next step after he gets his meat stirred really good and gets the seasoning all over the meat. We're going to let that simmer and then put it all together and bake it. So he's added some water to his sour cream. He add black pepper and some salt. Is it like drizzle consistency yet? Not really. So you're gonna add a little bit more water. You can add lime juice and water, so you can add some lime. We have some lime there. It says add as much lime and water as you like. Then you're gonna place a small amount of the ground beef filling into each tortilla shell, which is here. And then you're going to place it seam sides down.
Need some more water.
Okay. And then you're gonna oh, you have to add your enchilada red sauce into your meat. So I'm about to do that. Add your red enchilada sauce into your meat. Then you put a little bit of meat into your tortillas. Add a little bit of the red enchilada sauce here to the meat. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Then I want to save the other half to pour over the enchiladas once oh, it's getting foggy, but once I roll them up. So stir really good. The reason why I added my enchilada sauce so late because I want to make sure that my meat is fully cooked. Don't want to eat undercooked meat. Okay, so now I have rolled the tortillas up, and then I poured the remaining red sauce over that. And now I'm about to add the cheese on top, bake it, and then we're done. And I'll show you guys when it's plated.
Alright guys, this is what the recipe looks like. And then this is what ours looks like. And now we're about to dive in.